Looking for the perfect holiday gift? We all know the struggle of finding that special something. Enter the holiday cookie box. Imagine a hand-picked assortment of delectable treats tailored to tantalize. Why not curate a holiday cookie box, a gift that is personal, delightful, and oh so tasty? The first step in curating your holiday cookie box is selecting your cookie varieties. It's essential to create a delightful mix, combining both traditional holiday cookies and a few unique favorites. Think about those gingerbread men and frosted sugar cookies, but don't be afraid to add a dash of surprise with your own special recipes. If you're aware of any dietary restrictions or allergies, make sure to include appropriate options. Remember, variety is the spice of life, even when it comes to cookies. Once you have your cookies, it's time to think about presentation. Start by selecting a sturdy, attractive box that can safely cradle your delicious treats. As you arrange the cookies, consider a design that showcases the variety and beauty of your baked goods. Think about adding a personal touch, maybe a handwritten note expressing your warm wishes, or a list detailing the scrumptious cookie flavors. A well-presented cookie box not only looks good, but also shows the care and thought you've put into this gift. Now that your holiday cookie box is ready, it's time to share the joy. Hand-deliver your festive treats if you can, making the moment extra special. If distance is a hurdle, consider food-friendly shipping options. No matter how you deliver it, your holiday cookie box is sure to be a hit. Ready to start your own holiday cookie box tradition? Imagine the joy of curating your own assortment of cookies, each one a delicious work of love. It's not just about gifting, it's about creating memories, one cookie at a time. So why not roll up your sleeves, get creative, and let your holiday spirit shine? You might just start a tradition that lasts for generations. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great holiday ideas. Happy baking and happy holidays!